Hello, mammals. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Joyo, and today we're going to explore a very important topic in art, which is color theory. Understanding color theory can dramatically improve your paintings, making your work more vibrant and harmonious. So let's dive in and see how you can use color theory to take your paintings to the next level, shall we? First, let's start with the basics. This is a color wheel, a tool that we use to understand the relationship between colors. For example, you have your primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue. However, in the world of physics, the three primary colors are red, green, and blue. Understanding the basic relationship is crucial for creating balanced and appealing color schemes in your paintings. Now let's talk about color schemes. These are combinations of colors that work well together. Here are four popular ones that I know. We have the monochromatic, which is the use of variations of lightness and saturation of a single color. We have the analogous, which uses colors that are which are next to each other on the color wheel. And my favorite, the complementary colors, which use colors that are opposite each other in the color wheel. Warm and cool colors are terms used to describe temperature of colors and how they affect paintings. Warm colors are typically associated with warmth and energy. They include red, orange, and yellow, and everything in between them. While cool colors are typically associated with calmness and serenity. They include blue, green, purple. Understanding warm and cool colors helps artists create depth, mood, and interest in their works. Warm colors tend to advance or come forward in a composition, making them great for focal points. By balancing warm and cool colors, you can guide the viewer's eye through the composition and evoke a specific emotion, just like I'm doing here. Ensure a balance between the warm and cool colors to create harmony and interest in the painting. Understanding and effectively using warm and cool colors can greatly improve your art, make it more engaging and dynamic. putting this theory to practice now, as you can see, I'm going to create a simple painting. In fact, I'm already creating a simple painting by the time I'm recording this using a complementary color scheme. As in my main focus of this piece, which is the character, I'll be using the warm colors and complementing them, I'll use cool colors for the background. Watch how these colors interact and how the painting pop. My focal point is the character, which I'm going to be using warm colors because, as I said before, warm colors tend to make your work pop. Now, notice how they create a vibrant contrast, making each color appear more intense. This is the power of complementary colors. That's why it's my favorite color scheme to use. Although I have used monochromatic color schemes before, like this painting I did of Gojo. And yeah, it turned out fine, but I like sticking to my complementary colors. When using complementary colors, try to let one color dominate and use the other as an accent to avoid overwhelming your painting. I hope you found this tutorial on color theory helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more art tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all on the flip side. Peace.